Unity in Diversity, Part 3, page number 92. Our topic is efforts for diversity and equality. So our today's first topic will be efforts for diversity and equality. Okay. Efforts means कोशिश है. For diversity and equality means आपको मैंने बोला diversity हमारी कंट्री में existed है of different kinds and equality means समानता. So to maintain the diversity and equality, what efforts we have to put, हमको क्या कोशिशें करनी चाहिए to maintain the equality in our country. Various type of diversities are seen in our country. Discrimination is seen due to these diversities. आपको मैंने पहले वीडियो में बोल दिया था, we already discussed in the first video that there are many diversities in our country. So ये diversities देखने के बाद हमारे कंट्री में बहुत सारे तरीके के डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहे हैं. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आपको यहाँ पे वर्ड दिखाई दे रहा होगा, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मीन्स भेदभाव, मीन्स डिफरेंस क्रिएट करना. फॉर व्हाट पर्पस यू विल स्टडी नाउ. Discrimination on the basis of rich, poor, male, female, literate, illiterate, urban, rural, and caste are seen in our country. Because of the diversities we have already discussed कि बहुत सारे diversities exist होने के बाद हमारे कंट्री में rich, poor पे difference हो गए हैं, educated, uneducated में difference create हो चुके हैं between the male and female, between the rural and the urban people. Rural means rural, आपको ये word दिखाई दे रहा होगा, rural and urban people. Rural means people who are residing in the village areas and the urban means city areas. ठीक है. So the differences you can see between the male and female, between the educated people and the uneducated people, between the urban and the rural people. You can see the differences are created over here. Though the right to equality has been imposed by our constitution, हमारे country में गवर्नमेंट ने ऑलरेडी राइट टू इक्वलिटी इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया है. दिस मीन्स एवरी सिटीजन इज इक्वल बिफोर द लॉ. ये हमारी कंट्री का एवरी सिटीजन कानून के आगे, लॉ के आगे, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आगे इक्वल है. ऐसा नहीं है किसी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन को, कल्चर को हम लोग ज़्यादा फेवर कर रहे हैं और किसी को कम कर रहे हैं. नो, एवरी पर्टिकुलर पीपल पर्सन इज equal before the law according to the right to equality act. Okay. In the ancient time, social structure was based on the varna system. You can see here the varna system. What was the varna system? I will explain you now. See here, first were Brahmins. In this, 4 type of people were divided. Brahmins, second one is Kshatriyas, third one is Vaishyas, and the fourth one was Shudras. In this, Brahmins में which people were included? Priests and gurus. In the Kshatriyas, who were included? Kings or rulers. In the Vaishyas, who were included? Merchants. In the Shudras, who were included? Laborers. So in the ancient time, मतलब पुराने ज़माने में कास्ट सिस्टम किस पे बेस हुआ करते थे? According to these 4 categories. First were Brahmins, second were Kshatriyas, third one was Vaishyas, and the fourth one was Shudras. See, Brahmins were considered as a upper caste people. Brahmins को upper caste peoples के नेम से indicate करते थे, and the Shudras were considered as a lower class people according to the Varna system. In the Brahmins, who were included? Priests and gurus. In the Kshatriyas, who were included? Kings and rulers. In the Vaishyas, who were included? Merchant. And in the Shudras, who were included? Laborers. Laborer means वर्कर्स, ठीक है। तो ब्राह्मण्स को अपर कास्ट से डिनोट करते थे और शूद्रास को लोअर कास्ट से इंडिकेट करते थे। सो इन द एंशिएंट टाइम पीपल वेर categorized into the caste system and this was known as varna system. What it was known as? It was known as varna system, right? Due to this many group remain backward socially and economically. ये groups बन चुके थे, that is why many groups have remained backward socially as well as economically. Hence differences based on caste came into existence. That is why differences based on the caste, जो कास्ट के बीच में डिफरेंस क्रिएट हो चुके हैं वो क्रिएट हो चुके थे। मोस्ट ऑफ द लिटरेट पीपल अर्न मोर सो दैट स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग इज हाई। यू कैन सी दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द लिटरेट पीपल मीन्स एजुकेटेड पीपल ऐसे होते हैं दैट दे ट्राई टू अर्न मोर मनी। व्हाई दे ट्राई टू अर्न मोर मनी? सो दैट दे कैन इंक्रीज देयर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग। स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग का मतलब क्या होता है? स्टैंडर्ड of living. Most of the people try to earn more money. Why? To increase their standard of living. Standard of living means जीने के तौर तरीके. They maintain reputed status in the society. That means why they try to increase the standard of living? Because they want to maintain and increase their standard. उनको अपना reputation, अपना standard society में, समाज में increase करना है, enhance करना है. Differences based on the literate and illiterate people can also be seen. The differences which were based on the educated people and the uneducated people, this can also be seen in the society. Most of the people in India are living in the rural area. Urban people are quite less as compared to the rural people. मैंने आपको urban और rural का difference यहाँ पे समझाया था. What is the meaning of the rural means village areas and the urban means city areas. So you can see the difference between the people of these two areas, because as compared to the village areas, city area people are having the high standard of living, because village areas में people are usually living the simple life. So you can see the difference between these two areas people which has been existed in our country. Due to this major difference in their living standard, differences have arisen among the rural and the urban people. Since right to equality is given in our constitution, after independence, untouchability is removed. Untouchability भी आपको यहाँ पे एक वर्ड दिखाई देगा. Untouchability. This is the word you can see in your textbook. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था कि यहाँ पे इन एंशिएंट टाइम पीपल वेर कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू दिस 4 कास्ट सिस्टम अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्ना सिस्टम. तो ब्राह्मण्स वर कंसीडर्ड एज अ अपर कास्ट पीपल. सो व्हाट दे वर थिंकिंग कि अगर शूद्रास लोगों ने, जैसे शूद्रास है वो जो लोअर कास्ट पीपल है, अगर उनके आसपास का शूद्रास लोग आ जाते हैं, उनको टच कर लेते हैं, तो वो अपने आप को अपवित्र मानते थे, मतलब अनहोली मानते थे. सो दिस वाज द थॉट दैट दे हैव क्रिएटेड इन देयर माइंड. इसको बोलते हैं अनटचेबिलिटी. सो दिस सिस्टम हैज बीन एबोलिश्ड. अभी ये सिस्टम एकदम से हट चुका है, बिकॉज हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हमको कौन सा एक्ट हमारे लिए पास किया है? राइट टू इक्वलिटी. इसमें ऐसा नहीं होगा कि ब्राह्मण्स को फेवर ज़्यादा मिले या फिर शूद्रास को कम मिले. नो, राइट टू इक्वलिटी मीन्स ऑल द सिटीजन्स आर इक्वल बिफोर लॉ. बट दिस सिस्टम वॉज एग्जिस्टेड इन आवर कंट्री बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस, राइट. Now the right to equality is granted to everybody, so all the people get equal opportunity, justice and status. राइट टू इक्वलिटी गवर्नमेंट ने ग्रांट किया है, वो सबके लिए ग्रांट हो चुका है. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन को हुआ है, किसी को नहीं हुआ. इट हैज़ गिवन द इक्वल राइट टू एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया सो दैट दे कैन गेट द इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड इक्वल जस्टिस. सबको न्याय इक्वल मिल सके. RTE has given the right to free and compulsory education to children. RTE means right to education. RTE means right to education. जैसे आपको मालूम है कि अगर हमारी कंट्री में कुछ पुअर पीपल ऐसे हैं, those who are not able to complete their studies, they are even not able to even complete their primary studies. Therefore, right to education act has been introduced by our government. हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट इम्पोज किया है सो दैट द चिल्ड्रन कैन एटलीस्ट कंप्लीट देयर प्राइमरी एजुकेशन. वो अपना एजुकेशन कंप्लीट कर सके. ओके.
Okay, then I told you that right to education means the government has introduced this system to complete the, so that the children can complete their primary education. And after this we can study now. Let's see. Government has enhanced the educational and the infrastructural facilities like village roads, primary health center, electricity, drinking water, etc. for the community development. Other than this, the government has also बिल्ड अप द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. गवर्नमेंट ने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी बहुत तरीके से डेवलप किया है. फॉर एग्जांपल रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन, प्रोवाइडिंग द क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फैसिलिटी, मेडिकल हेल्थ फैसिलिटी. दिस ऑल द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर also has been introduced by the government. Equal opportunities are granted to the women according to the constitutional provisions so that their honor and respect can be maintained. Even the women also has the now opportunity to develop their skills. उनको भी in every sector, in every field they can go and show their skill so that their respect and their honor can be maintained in the society. They can also get the status in the society. Because of getting the constitutional right, people follow their own religion, speak their own language, celebrate their own festival. Discrimination is decreasing after independence. जो discrimination के बारे में मैंने आपको बोला कि how the differences were created in the ancient time and it is continued till today. But you can see this discrimination has been decreasing day by day. After independence, ये discrimination आपको कम होता हुआ दिखाई देगा. Why? Because the people are become aware now. They have become educated. So हमारे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने लॉ निकाला है, जो राइट निकाला है to follow any religion, to celebrate any festival,
to speak any language means आपको कोई भी रिलीजन को फॉलो करना है, कोई आपको फोर्स नहीं कर सकता है आप हिंदू को फॉलो करो या फिर मुस्लिम रिलीजन को फॉलो करो. नो,
यू कैन फॉलो एनी रिलीजन, यू कैन स्पीक एनी लैंग्वेज. कोई आपको फोर्स करने वाला नहीं होगा बिकॉज इट इज योर चॉइस. Some seats are kept reserved for the people of certain caste in the election of Gram Panchayat to Parliament. You are doing that for development of the certain caste. Some seats are reserved. ग्राम पंचायत से लेके पार्लियामेंट तक कुछ पीपल के लिए, कुछ कास्ट के लिए कुछ सीट्स रिजर्व कर चुकी फॉर द डेवलपमेंट पर्पस. सेम थिंग इज कंसिडर्ड इन द मैटर ऑफ जॉब्स ऑल्सो. जॉब में भी कुछ सीट्स रिजर्व करके रखी है फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. हॉस्टल, स्कॉलरशिप एंड schemes for financial assistance for the students are implemented so that they can get the equal opportunity for the further development in social, economical, cultural and the political field. See, you can see that many children are there those who want to study further, जिनको आगे बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करनी होती है, but they don't have the fund to study further. So the government is providing them scholarship. The government is providing them the financial facility so that they can study further and they can develop in every sector by economically, socially and politically. So I hope you understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.